Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to take high quality pictures on Imvu. So let's go. So first of all you need to sign in your Imvu client. Then you need to type hash res no bg. First of all you need to set your area where you want to take picture. Then enter this. So after typing this code, go to your desktop, and on your desktop main desktop you will see this picture with high quality, or you can also take picture like this. And then share to my feed, or you can uncheck both and save. Then go to home, photos, and as you can see this picture. So you can also take pictures like this. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video if you like this video. So bye.